here because chairman is here. Tomorrow morning I'm going to Mombasa. I'm just confirming from my people how much I'll pay from Nairobi to Mombasa. 45 minutes, I'm going to pay an equivalent of $130 for one way, Nairobi, Mombasa, 45 minutes. The Flynas from Nairobi to Riyadh is 270, 280. So just call it double for 5 hours. So something is wrong with us. Something is wrong with something is wrong with us, and we have to ask ourselves, how does a 5-hour flight cost $280 and Nairobi, Mombasa 130? So we need more competition among the airlines, because this is clear. That's why we need to have open sky policy. So when I talk about open sky, it is just exemplified by that. That's number one. Number two, unashamedly, I am for looking at different ways of modernizing our infrastructure. So with this kind of aircraft coming more, we are going to get more people going to work out there, more of our flowers, of our avocados, of our tourist business working. That's what is going to put food on the table. So it doesn't matter who owns our airport, Adani or Kamau or Njoroge. Thank you.
Thank you. Well, Flynas is most welcome to Nairobi. It is definitely not a threat to Kenya Airways. It will luckily enhance aviation competition. It will also give Kenya Airways an opportunity to get a frequency to fly also to Saudi Arabia direct from Nairobi to Riyadh. So we want Kenya Airways to pursue that route, and we welcome even more airlines to come into Kenya because the queue is long. We have a lot of requests for other airlines to come in. For us as Jomo Kenyatta, as Kenya Airports Authority, the more airlines we have, the more business we have, the more Kenyans we will employ, and it will be good for everyone.